Good morning students. Today we are learns another document prospectus. Prospectus when a public company is collecting capitals by issuing share to the public has to issue a document is called as a prospectus. Prospectus is a document which contain information about various aspects about the company and investor to buy the security offered by the company. That is only issued by public limited company. They is not issued by the private limited company. It collect the capital by issuing share. Which share we are issuing? Equity share, preference share, whatever are here. They are mentioned in this prospectus. This is the one documents of the joint stock company. Most important documents of the joint stock company is the prospectus. It contains some information about various aspects about the company. Then investor to buy the security offered by the company. It is the first introductions and meanings of prospectus. Another ones are definitions to subsection 70 of Company Act 2013 define prospectus as any document describes or issued as a prospectus and include Article 32A red herring prospectus or self prospectus or any notice, circulars, advertisement or other document inviting offer from the public for the subscriptions or purchase of any security of a body corporation. It means it is defined for the section 2 subsection 70 of Company Act 2013. They define for prospectus as any document described or issue of prospectus that include for Article 32A red herring prospectus, self prospectus of any notice, circular, advertisements or other document inviting offer for the public for the subscriptions or purchase of any security or body corporation is the definitions of Company Act 2013. प्रोस्पेक्टस क्या है? पब्लिक प्रोस्पेक्टस ये साइलेंट सेल्समैन से कंपनी को अपना शेयर डिबेंचर सेल करना है, इसलिए वो क्या करेगा? पब्लिक को ऑफर देगा और वो कंपनी की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन इसमें लिखी जाएगी कि कंपनी कौन सा शेयर मार्केट में सेल करने वाले हैं, कितने रुपीस में वो सेल करेगा और कितना सेल करेगा, उसके बारे में सारी इंफॉर्मेशन इस प्रोस्पेक्टर में लिखी रहेंगी. तो जो भी उसमें, जैसे कि हमने जब आपको 11 का जब कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना था तब आपने क्या किया? फर्स्ट प्रोस्पेक्टर कलेक्ट किया. प्रोस्पेक्टर कलेक्ट करने के बाद ही आप क्या किया? उसमें जो एक एप्लीकेशन था वो एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म आपने उसमें से निकाला और वो फिलअप करके सबमिट किया. वैसे ही सेम टू सेम बात यहाँ पे कंपनी में रहेगी. वहाँ पे एक एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म रहेगा और कौन सा शेयर परचेज करना है, क्या करना है, वो उसमें फिल करके वो कंपनी को सबमिट करना होगा. तो ये जो प्रोस्पेक्टर, जैसे हमारा कॉलेज का प्रोस्पेक्टर था, ये कौन सा प्रोस्पेक्टर है? कंपनी का प्रोस्पेक्टर है. इसमें कौन सा शेयर आपको लेना है, इक्विटी, प्रेफरेंस, डिबेंचर, व्हाटएवर्स, वो फिलअप करना है और वो सबमिट करना रहेगा. तो उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोस्पेक्टर्स. Next we are learn here types of prospectus. Types of prospectus issued by a company. Aggregate prospectus. It contains the main contents of a prospectus, but in brief, it is attached with the application form issued by the company while offering its security. Aggregate prospectus is issued only in case of public offer made by the company. Aggregate prospectus ये क्या है? इसमें मेन कंटेंट सिर्फ कंपनी के लिखे रहेंगे प्रोस्पेक्टस में और बहुत शॉर्ट में इंफॉर्मेशन लिखी रहेगी कंपनी के बारे में और इसके साथ एक अटैच्ड होगा एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. जैसे हमारे प्रोस्पेक्टस के साथ भी क्या था? एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी एडिटेड प्रोस्पेक्टर में भी एक एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म अटैच रहेगा. ये सिर्फ कौन सी कंपनी करेगी? ऑफर पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी. नेक्स्ट सेल्फ प्रोस्पेक्टस. अ कंपनी, a public company may raises fund from the public by issuing security as and when it need more fund. For every such issue, fresh prospectus is to be issued. The process of preparing or and registering sub prospectus is very time consuming. Thus, instead of preparing the fresh prospectus of for every issue, a company can prepare self prospectus. Self prospectus can be used for all issue made by the company up to 1 year from the date of first offering of security under the prospectus. Self prospectus क्या है? It is the one public company can raise upon your fund for public issue. Public company जब पब्लिक के पास से अपना फंड बढ़ाना चाहती है तो वो क्या अफोर्ड करेगी? इश्यू ऑफ सिक्योरिटी. इट्स नीड मोर फंड, ज़्यादा फंड चाहिए. फॉर एवरी सच इश्यू फ्रेश प्रोस्पेक्टर इज टू बी इश्यू. क्या फ्रेश मतलब फर्स्ट इश्यू इज हियर. दिस प्रोसेस प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ प्रोस्पेक्टर इज वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. ये जो सेल्फ प्रोस्पेक्टर से बहुत ही टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, उसके लिए बहुत सारी प्रोसेसिंग कंप्लीट करनी पड़ती है. दिस इंस्टेड ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग फ्रेश प्रोस्पेक्टर फॉर एवरी इश्यू, company can prepare self prospectus. Use for all issue made by company up to 1 year from the date of first offering of security under that prospectus. Next, red herring prospectus. A red herring prospectus is a kind of incomplete prospectus as it does not include complete particulars of the quantity of security offered or the issue, price of the security being offered. It is usually issued at the time of IPO, initial public offer, or for any issue done under the book building process. इसमें क्या है? Red hair prospectus, any kind of incomplete prospectus. It does not include. Incomplete prospectus यहाँ पे include नहीं रहेगा. Complete particular of quantities of the securities are offered or issue, price of the security being the offer. It usually issue the initial public offer. जब कंपनी पहली बार प्रोस्पेक्टर इश्यू करेगी, that times the issues are done for the book of building process. Red herring prospectors shall have the same obligation that are applicable to prospector. A company must file a red herring prospector with registrar of company. ROC के पास वो क्या करेगा? सब at least 3 days prior the opening of subscription list and offering. This is the red herring prospectus. Next, letter of offer. When a company undertakes further issue of share by making a right issue, that is offering share directly to its existing shareholders in proportion to the share held by them. A company issue a document is called as a letter of offer. It contains the details of the offer. क्या ऑफर किया है कंपनी ने, ये सारा इसमें मेंशन रहेगा. Full information are about the offers. Another one's offer letters. An offer letter is issued to select the group of investors by a company when it make a private placement offer of security. Private placement means when a company is offering its share to any section group of investor. Yes, the particular section को ही offer रहेगा, offer letter. This is also the one of the types of the prospectus. We are learn here 5 types. We are learn here introduction of prospectus, meaning of prospectus, definition of prospectus and types of prospectus. Now assignment question, write down the types of prospectus. Thank you students.